Howdy y'all, so Nomadic Maverick, and today we're heading out on the boat. We're gonna be doing a little bit of tourist sightseeing, gonna see the pigs of Exuma. I hear it's a lot of fun. I've always seen things like it on Instagram, and I think it'd be a really great time. Definitely gonna get some good videos of the pigs, feeding them and playing with them. But I know today we're gonna have a lot of fun on the water and in the sun. It's gonna be a great time. We just showed up where the pigs are. You can see them right behind me here. They're coming out to us because they're pretty hungry. So honestly, it smelled like someone was barbecuing one a minute ago, but here he comes. Look at him swimming out to us.
Look at him, guys.
Wow. He wants to eat it. Watch out.
What's up, big guy?
Here's the next one.
I didn't know pigs could swim. Look at him, he's trying to eat it.
Hey, what's up, bud?
So funny, dude.
Look at him. He's coming out like an alligator.
Get it.
He's going backwards.
Get it.
Here, you want mine?
Put it down in the water.
Well.
Press him.
All right, guys, we're gonna jump in the water with the pigs here. All right, I'm making it. My bad, Pop. I think that's the stuff. He's coming after you. Hey guys.
Give me a treat. Watch out behind you.
Come here. On it. Oh, hit your forehead. Hey you.
Yeah, baby, the piggy.
Yeah. Feeding the pigs of Exuma. Here, on it. Got him.
No, that's where he needs to be. Hold the head of him.
Well, here comes the boat. The finest of bacon. He's snorting. Here comes a big boy.
Uh-oh, big daddy's coming in.
You want some? Look at that other one coming down. It's a frenzy! Look, he grabbed the bag! He grabbed the bag! Off to the woods! Hey guys, you're being nice. Here you go. Hey big boy, want that one? Right here in front of you. Right there. Well, you're going underwater, bud.
I know we're going to get her.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Hey, bud.
You just swam by.
You get some of this, though?
Oh, yeah, I'm getting this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, cutie.
$10.
Can I go pet those ones up there? Hang on, okay. I'm not going on the shore.
Look at that face.
No, you chew yours up. No bags on the beach. him, and he was like,
Oh, is that, he took the bag from you?
yes, I got it right here.
Under the building pictured here, you could actually go up and bottle feed some baby pigs. You did have to pay. I never figured out what the price was, but it seemed like a fun thing you could do.
You better watch him.
Get next to him.
I think it was a friend. I don't think it was sport.
Hi, Bob. Yeah, you did. That's perfect. Look. Like this.
Indy!
No,
I was gonna blow it and come out and get a shot down in the front.
Hey, one more time. Go. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Here, bud. Hold it down. Like, I'm doing pretty good here. I'll tell you.
Oh yeah, you are.
You're not doing
What's up, piggy pig? Oh, that's your food. Wait, was he riding it? Ride the pig. I gotta get that on video. What? Hey, no baby. Hey, big boy.
Whoa, that one was feisty.
Big boy's moving in. 'Cause I want some. They haven't said anything to them. They haven't said anything to them. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Those chicks are crazy.
So cute. He's sitting. What a good boy. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hey, buddy. Hey, Dad, give me some food.
Okay,
Yeah, baby, you got that.
No, I want the little baby.
He's like, oh, yeah.
Hey, little baby. Maverick, get your mouth.
Yeah, they like it when you scratch them. Because their hair's so tough.
Oh.
They like it when you scratch them. Because their hair's so tough.
All right, Mom. Go feed him while he's down. They don't bite.
Yes, they do.
Oh, yeah.
Eat that food? What?
That looked like Luke. He gets up like that. My dog Luke gets up exactly as quickly, even though he's really old and can't move that well. Whenever you offer him food, he just always wants to get up with his food. What's up, big boy? He's feeding them now, so all the pigs realize it's time to get some real food instead of the crap that we're feeding them, some little chips and pretzels.
Oh, can you tornado it?
Your dentist loves you. Jarrod, show him the tornado. Show him the tornado. Get him a beer. Get up there and show us, Jarrod. It's spinning a little bit.
Did mine spin?
Oh yeah. Let's see you boys jump.
Alright, you ready?
Let's get Reed.
All right, that's gonna do it for our fun in the sun with the pigs. I want to give a special shout out to Jarrod here for running the boat and helping us navigate through the Bahamian waters. Also tough right here feeding the pig. Big thank you to him. He was giving us a lot of information. Two great locals that live on Exuma. Thank you so much for showing us a great day. Y'all be sure to subscribe because I have a lot more great content coming from our trip to the Bahamas that I'll be uploading over the next several weeks.